Hi everyone, welcome to Data Science Alive. Now let's look into how to install Python on other IDEs using Anaconda on Mac and Windows machines. So first let's open any browser. My preference Chrome. So in Chrome, let's search for Anaconda Python. So the first link what you get is anaconda.com/downloads. So first let's click here. Here in this download page, you will have the downloads for Windows, Mac as well as Linux machines. So I'm having Mac machine. So let's click for Mac. So in Mac, we have got two versions, Python 3.6 and Python 2.7. Let's go for the latest version. In here, you can see two versions of Python. One is Python 3.6 and another one is Python 2.7. So we'll go for the latest version. In here, you might see two download packages are here. One is command line installer and graphical installer. We will go for graphics installer. The default one is graphical installer that is being given by Anaconda. So when you click the downloads, it directly installs the graphic installer package. And if you require any cheat sheet, you can provide your email address to Anaconda and they will provide the cheat sheet. Other one, for our course, it is not required, so we will leave it as it is. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet speed because the package size is 613 MB. So let's wait for the download to get complete. Now the download is completed. So let's install the package. Continue. So read the license. So these are the packages that will be installed along with this Anaconda. Then go through the license. Okay. Why we are installing Anaconda? Because it has both Python and IDEs. Now the next one is install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So if you require the Visual Studio, then you can install it. At the moment, we do not require it, so we'll give just continue and close. And the package we're moving to trash. So now the Anaconda has been installed in the system. So let's open Anaconda. So in the application, you'll find Anaconda Navigator. So go to the application panel and open the Anaconda Navigator. As this is the first time, right? So it is asking these questions. So these are the following IDs which has been installed. So IDE is Integrated Development Environment. In our course, we are going to use Spyder. So let's launch Spyder. So when you first open the Spyder IDE, you will be having an empty editor. Now I will show you what are the planes that is required for this course. Click the view and panes. In here we have got editor selected. Next one what we require is ipython console. And then we require variable explorer, file explorer, help. First one is variable explorer. It will help us to explore the data while we are doing the program. The next one is the file explorer, and the third one is the help, and this is the ipython console. So you can find ipython console. So let's do the first code. Select the code press command and enter. So in the ipython console you can find here the code has been entered and the output is being displayed. So we have given print welcome, so it has displayed the output as welcome. Thank you for watching the video, and let's start data pre-processing from next session. Thank you.